Hi guys, as there's a lot of discussion going on the camera recording functionality of 7xO, whether it is capable or not. I tried that out on my new 7xO. You have to simply insert the SD card and then enable camera recording via the camera settings. It shows the views from 4 cameras: front, right, left and rear. You can see the video recording quality here. It captures the speed, the time, location, etc. Uh, the camera quality or the recording quality is not that great, it is just sufficient. I'm not able to read the number plates of the vehicles which are passing by, but overall it does the purpose. It can record events. I think there's a software glitch still which Mahindra needs to work on. I can see only 1 minute recording, and that too, yeah, see if you can see, it just changes, and it always it's split into 1 minute video records, and I cannot see the recording of my morning videos. I could only see the evening videos, so maybe a glitch.